Alright, so it's 5:06. It's time to drive to Coleman, Texas to buy a Mitsubishi Eclipse. I'm so tired, I want to put the camera down now. As you can tell, this is not the Jeep, all master Jeep that it is. We are in one of my buddy's trucks, a Chevy Silverado 1500. Alright, so we picked up the, I don't know if you guys can see that back there. I guess not. But, there it is, you can see it in the rear view. We picked up the Eclipse, we ended up picking up the Eclipse. I'm not gonna show you guys this right now, it's really cold outside, I'm filling up with gas. But, I'm gonna get back home, unload it, and then we'll talk about the Eclipse. Alright. This is my new 1997 Mitsubishi Eclipse. Now it won't start. Here's a problem. First of all, there's no door handle. But go in here to start it. Push the clutch. No power at all. So I'm gonna dig around here and look at the fuses. First thing I see is the ignition fuse is blown out. I'll do a walk around of the car when it's less windy, because you guys will get the but all the parts are from the back are in here. There's another wheel. This thing's blown out. That's in there. Pretty rusty. Yeah, see, there's a hole straight through there. Probably gonna need to, that for sure, I'm gonna have to touch that up and fix that. There's a bunch of extra stuff in here, axle nut, some spline drive, lug nuts. I'm just gonna pretty much just clean this thing out. Because it's pretty disgusting. Look at all that dust and shit. I'm gonna clean all that out. I tried to start it with the new fuse in there, but it kept breaking the fuse. So there's a short somewhere. I'm gonna have to dig through this whole engine bay and find a short. So I'll tell you guys if I can find it, when I find it. Other than that, yeah, I'll give you guys a walk around once I get this thing kind of situated. I'm kind of in a rush. It's rain tonight or in a minute, so I need to get this thing with the window up at least and this thing started. So I want to get to work and then I'll check with you guys whenever something happens. Today we're going to clean out the human filth from the Eclipse. So I've already kind of started digging around in here in the passenger seat, or the driver's seat I should say. Cleaned all that out. There's a bunch of junk there behind the seat. Now I'm working on the passenger. So you got floor mats, and look at all this change. I started collecting some inside this jug. Still a lot. There's like probably a couple dollars. Never mind, there's just a bunch of pennies. But I'm gonna start cleaning it out. Bucket for trash, change, as well as a dust devil for vacuum. And we're gonna start digging in. Brake fluid. More brake fluid. That's not a good sign. Cherry Coke Classic. Free koozie. Keep that. One of the first things I need to fix is the trunk struts, I guess you'd call them. Trunk dampeners or whatever. So I am done cleaning the back section for now until I come in here and work on all the back stuff. I want to do a rear wiper delete. I'm going to mess with the antenna. This is all so jank. There's not even a radio in there, as you guys can see way up there. But I'm going to need to repaint it. There's some somewhat good paint under it, but there's just holes straight through. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a hole straight through. So in some places I can clean up the rust and patch it up real easy. Doesn't look too bad around here. Shock towers look intact. I took out all the stuff. I need to redo these tabs. They broke off. And then I need to just clean all these up, clean all the plastics up, and then just I don't know if I want to repaint it. I kind of want to keep the gray interior since it's a complete gray. But I do need to clean it up. Some tabs are broken off, so I'm just going to epoxy them back on. And I am missing a couple of these, so I might just order a tub of those. Look at all this trash I found. And that's change. I'm going to take out the passenger seat and the driver's seat and then clean under it and try to get the car clean. These bolts right here are 14 mil. So see if I can go with the ratchet first, and then if not, I'm going to get my breaker bar out. Alright, so I'm definitely going to need some type of carpet cleaner to clean all this shit out, because that's pretty gross. Or I might even consider getting a full black carpet, probably for like $100 or something like that. I'm going to keep looking. There's no tears or anything in it, so it's not a bad idea to maybe re-dye it or something like that. I'm going to check the driver's side now. Carpet looks like it's in pretty decent condition. There's just a little bit of a tear where the dead pedal goes. Other than that, it looks like it's good. It's just a little discolored. So I'm gonna get some super clean and try to degrease it and clean it off as best as I could. If I can't clean it off, then I'm just gonna get some black carpet or some gray. So I'm just gonna get this and just spray it around, let it soak in, brush it in, and then try to clean it off.